Hello guys, today we are discussing about classification of heat transfer. So heat, as we know, heat is an energy. Heat is a term used for energy which is mobile as a result of temperature difference. That is, the driving force is a temperature difference, and because of this temperature difference heat is transfer or energy is transfer. This energy is nothing but the heat. And now we will discuss about classification of heat transfer system. First is steady state and unsteady state heat flow system. So what will happens in steady state? Where suppose consider this is an object and its temperature at this surface be T1 and at this surface temperature will be T2. Then what will happen? So at t equals to 0, suppose at t equals to 0, if T1 is 100 and T2 is suppose 80 degree, then the then its temperature difference will be that is delta T will be 20 degree. Now at t equals to 60 seconds, at t equals to 60 seconds, if T1 is 100 and T2 is remains same, that is 80, that is T1 as well as T2 will remain same, then we can say that it is in steady state. It is in steady state. Same for unsteady state. If t is equals to 60 seconds and your T1 will be equal to any value other than 100, that is suppose 90, and T2 is any other value other than 80, that is suppose it will be 60, then your delta T is also different. So this is the case of unsteady state heat flow, because here temperature difference as well as your heat transfer rate is depends on time, then it is unsteady state, and in steady state it doesn't depends on time. Next classification is unidirectional and multi-direction flow system. Here suppose this is an object, and if heat is transferred from this point, suppose this is origin to x-axis, that is only in one direction, it may be x, y or z, but if heat is transferred from O to x, that is only in one direction, then it is unidirectional. And in case of multidirectional, heat is transferred in x as well as in y direction, that is heat is transferred in x as well as y direction, then we can say it is multidirectional. Similarly we can say rate of heat transfer is function of x only or function of y or function of z only, then it is unidirectional. And heat transfer rate is function of both x, y or z, then it is multidirectional. Even if it is function of x and y, then also we can say it is a multidirectional heat flow. Then with or without internal heat generation. Another type is with or with or without internal heat generation. Suppose this is your wall and heat is transferred in this direction, and here it is a heater. This is your heater. If it is in off condition, then it will not transfer any heat to the surrounding. It will not transfer any heat to the surrounding. So this such a system is called without internal heat generation system. And if heater is on condition, then what will happen? It will rejects heat to its surrounding. It will reject heat to its surrounding. That is, in between there is a generation of heat. So it is with internal heat generation system. Thank you.